Hello, my name is Marco Tonani. I am a Brazilian that live here in Spain, in Huesca, and this is my final project for Harvard's CS50 Introduction to the Computer Sciences. I chose to build a video game called Centurio Ultimus, which means the last centurion, and it is based in Roman history, in actual facts, more or less. It takes place after a great massacre, a great loss in the history of the Roman Republic, around the year 100 before Christ. And well, let me show you a little bit. It was done in Love 2D, which is a framework for the Lua programming language. So let's open up the code, just to give you a quick glimpse. Here we have the main.lua, which makes everything happen. Actually, it's function.load, function love.update, and love.draw, plus the auxiliary functions I built. We have unit.lua, which is for the class of objects, let's say, that are the units themselves. Then enemy.lua, which is a subclass of unit.lua, with the AI configurations, not conf.lua, with just some simple configurations. And for me to show you the game, here we have a main screen, then we have a bit of a few screens with the story, then a tutorial. All those screens were made by me with the help of artificial intelligence. Other artistic let's say assets, like the units themselves, the tiles in the map. I built a map using a tool called Tiled, but the tiles, the small icons that look like Roman coins, those were made by different artists, and they are available for free in the internet, so people can use them. It's all open licenses of different sorts. The same is true for the sound effects and the soundtrack. So basically, in this game, you command a small squad of 6 Romans. You have the Centurion himself, Optimate, which would be like a sergeant, let's say. Then you have a legionary with Gladius, a legionary with a spear, a legionary with a bow, and an auxilia, an Italian auxilia, an ally. So the game is based on war games, like Hail Caesar, for instance. It's a big inspiration. Miniature war games that you play in person with real miniatures you build and paint. So the Hail Caesar, Warhammer 40,000, Age of Sigmar, Necromunda, etc. And also, of course, by the tactics generated. It's turn-based. Each unit has 2 actions represented by those coins. You can move and attack, or attack. And your objective is basically to try and survive for as long as you can, because the barbarians are infinite. So after the game ends, you get to know how many turns you survived and how many you did kill. I'm using some cheats to lose quicker, because then I can show you the last screen, which is the credits screen. And it took me almost a month to build this. No, a bit more than a month actually. And it was really enjoyable. I spent quite some time doing it. I learned a lot. Got help from the community. They were always very helpful. And I'm going to leave the game online for whoever wants to play it. I hope whoever gets to do it, that enjoy it. And I certainly enjoyed a lot the experience of learning it. So thank you for Harvard for everything they taught me, and for the experience, the occasion of creating this game. So here you have survived for 4 turns and killed 3 barbarians for Rome. And then after a few seconds, you get to the credits screen. So thank you everyone. That's it. That's Centurio Ultimus.